Welcome back to a new vlog. I know it's been a while since I spoke to you guys via voice note, but yeah, this is a new vlog and I want to especially welcome all of you that have been supporting me in one way or the other by liking and leaving your little kids comments for me to read, even though they are just one or two, and also those that are subscribing. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate. Always know that subscription is free. You don't have to pay for anything. As long as you have data and you're on YouTube, you can click on the subscription button and subscribe to support the channel. Okay, thank you and enjoy the rest of the vlog.
I love to touch your skin, especially I believe that we are meant to be. I wanna use your facilities, baby. Me tell you don't know what you started. Obsessed, my baby make I confess. See, I don't mind to say for your loving. I sleep with my chest. Tonight I'm sipping whiskey. Girl, I'm feeling your vibe. Won't you pour me some whiskey? You know me hard, you can pull up, make I undress you from top to bottom. Girl, you don't know what you started.
How you going?
Pour me some whiskey, some tequila.
Yo, you fine girl, sweeting Archie. Chai. Say hi to my people. Chai. So if Tinubu no see your wedding flower.
I remember that last time you did waterfall.
Let me take a closer look. Come and take a picture of me. Take video of me. Don't go and press that. Come and snap me. Video.
Beautiful girl, you staying there. Be painless, yeah. Don't waste your time with me.
My boss.
It's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me.
Let me take you along.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you don't know where to be found as they sing along. I say, stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, with a beat on the DC. I see you look good and clean your feet. Better when you wake up.
That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I can lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you to your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me.
Yeah. Onde ganhou? Esse é assim bacana. Hi guys, so I came early today. It's just me in the office. So what I want to do is just like set up some things before my bosses get here, and that's basically it. Nothing much to do. All I have to do is on the AC because it likes it very cold in here. So on the AC, put on the lights, and I think that's all. I look really good but stressed because of the situation of the cap. Like the sun was hitting me. To all of you that have been engaging on my videos, like, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Started owning things, even though I don't know what some of them are. I'm going to show you guys the environment and then show you guys my view from here.
Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause
That's my environment. I guess I've on everything. On the lights, everywhere is looking great. So yeah. And this is nice.
Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had